Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. I live in Utah, Zone 6 up against the Wasatch Mountains. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about mental health and how important it is. Today was a crazy day. I had games to go to, volleyball and basketball games to go to for my kids, a baptism from a family member. Tomorrow we're going to a mission farewell. Tons of stuff that always has to be done. And that's important, and it's very important. But your mental health is also way important too. I say gardening is therapy, and it's because I get out here, all of a sudden there's calm. I feel at one with the earth. I feel closer to God. So today I'm going to finish up some rose bushes, and then I'm going to finish up some peach trees. I only have about an hour out here, but I need it. The garden is calling to me, and it's not me neglecting things that I need to do. It's me taking the peace and quiet and calm that I need. So come along. So this rose right here is called Snowfire, and I am not going to take it down like I did the other ones. We're already budding. All I did was tip it. All I did was take a little bit off the top. And when we start having some of these bloom, I can cut deep into the plant. And then that will prune deep. But I'm not going to go crazy with this one. I'm going to leave this one pretty much like that. Anything that's brand new, I'm not going to touch it all this year. So these two are new. This one's Oh Happy Day, Eleganza. I'm not pruning them down this year. Just watch, see how they grow. This rose right here is the beautiful, I always call it Ireland. It's not Ireland. I'll put a picture on the screen. I think that we are getting some of that Dr. Huey coming back. So I'm kind of sad about that one. I'm going to have to watch it. I don't know how to prune it right now because I'm pretty sure this is not what it's supposed to look like. See how it's throwing these really long ones up? So I'm going to work right here. I have a couple roses to prune and a lot of perennials that are dead that need to be cut back all the way to the ground. I will show you where the seeds come out. It's pretty cool. So these are asters, and I've cut them down to the ground in a lot of instances. And look, you'll see where they've reseeded. Let me show you. Right there. Do you see the green? That's them reseeding and coming back. So what you're going to do, here's an example. I'm using my left because I'm filming with my left. Just cut these long stalks all the way down to the ground. And then you see, those are asters. This is campanula. And this is the same thing. You know, they will reseed, but these seeds are actually, no, that looks like campanula. So this one's campanula, and then this looks like a coneflower. But I could be wrong, that might be campanula. But basically you cut all these perennials down to the ground and get rid of all the dead stalks. You can put the dead stalks on your compost pile if you're not afraid of them reseeding. With this one, I am going to cut it down by 1/2 to 1/3 and defoliate. Iris are not hard to clean up. You just wait for the stalk to come up and take all the dead out. You can do this in the fall or like I do in the spring when I finally get time to it. See the new growth? Nice and clean. See this old stuff? Just take it out. That can go in your compost bin. I think this is salvia, which is really exciting because I think I got this for $1 in the fall. If I remember right, it's white. That's going to be really beautiful. So I'm just cleaning up around these so they'll come up beautiful. Not hard. Right now in the spring, we leave our lilac bushes alone. We want those to bloom. Right after they bloom, then you can prune them. Here's this gorgeous Sensation lilac. We're going to leave it alone, but Patches doesn't think we are. Thanks, Patches. Oh boy. He likes to dig down on all of them. So I'm going to try to get the last 2 peach trees done. I'm not as proud of these ones as I am this one, because this one has only been in there for 3 years. The one way back there has been in there for about 5 or more, and I didn't really know what I was doing. I'm still learning. So let's look at the pretty one first. I think this is a pretty peach tree, and I did that. I'm proud of it, but I also did that. Oh, we'll see, right? Okay, so if I'm going to keep following the open concept, I'm going to leave this center way open. Then I'm going to come to the top and just top it. Bring that down a little bit. And then here's another one I'm not so proud of. I don't know what I'm doing. This one, at the very beginning, I was still learning. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's not great either. Oh well. Okay, so what I'm going to do with these is take out anything in the center and take down the height. Be right back. 2 down, 1 to go. All right, let's get in this mess. Like I said, this is my trial peach tree. You got to learn on something. Boy, did I learn on this one. So right now I'm taking anything out of the center, so all this has got to go. These are probably water roots anyway, they're not a real branch. Open center, and then take down the height. Alright, I'm going to show you this again. You've got some leaf buds. These are where the branches are going to be. This top one is facing out. The bottom one is facing in. You want to cut at the outward facing bud. That was a very quick hour, but I was very grateful for it. So this peach tree right here looks a lot better. Beautiful mountains. And down here, I got to research about those blackberries. They were really big and yummy. I like the ones in the front even better, but I don't know the variety in the front. They were already here. This one's only been here maybe 2nd season, so I'll learn how, go research about that. I love to garden. It means a lot to me, but I also need it for my mental health. It's spring. Go enjoy the yard. Bye. This one's my favorite tree. This one is a white peach, so I'm so excited to taste that again. I don't know if I love the way I pruned it. And that one makes me kind of embarrassed, but at the same time, I think I saved it. I'll show you a picture. I didn't know how to thin. I had all these apricots everywhere. Those aren't apricots, those are peaches. So, hopefully we get some fruit this year and we don't get such a horrible late frost. That was fun. Tell me down in the comments how you prune your roses and peach trees. I would love to learn. I showed you how I did mine. So remember, even if you're outside for just a few minutes, you need it. You need it for your mental health. See you later. Bye.